Look at the moon. It's a proper full one tonight. Oh my god, you can see the moon reflecting off that building. Wow. Mate, I don't think I'll ever get bored of views like that. Surrounded by the tallest in Manchester. People are showing up to work. This was the setup. It's 6:35. The goal for today is to climb Snowdon. That's the fucking plan. We're gonna go Wales and climb Snowdon with my mate. Hopefully, it goes to plan. First thing, we need to get out of this construction site without getting caught. I've just watched at least 15 people come onto the site. And look how many more there are. They're flooding in. Right, let's stop fucking about. $6:44. I think we've got time for a quick peek on the roof. Alright, let's bounce. Peace. $6:55. Train or two since the last clip. We're on our way. Oi oi! Look at the fucking weather, boy! We're here! No, this is the mountain railway, which I think is closed. It looks closed. Mate, everything in Wales looks closed, I swear. I don't return 35 quid, I'll return 25 quid. Fucking hell, expensive. It's closed. Look, there's the train. Anyway, right, I'm late as fuck and I'm gonna have to hike all the way from here. We're obviously near the mountain, but I don't know exactly where it is yet. So we're in this place called Llanberis. I was literally the only person on the bus and now I can't hear anyone. Can you see that? There's a rabbit on the grass. Hike time. We're at the base. There she is, Snowdon. Says it's gonna take 6 hours there and back. 7 o'clock, 6 hours from now. That's 1 o'clock in the morning. We need to hurry up. Sick. That's so cool, man. I'd love to ride that train one day. That's got to get done. So sick to be here, man. Google Maps says 1 hour and 24 minutes. We should be just in time to watch the sunset from the summit of Snowdon. Let's go! It's 9 o'clock now. 2 hours in, there's a paraglider up there. Jealous of that. That looks fun as fuck. I think it's one of those powered ones. He's got a fan powering him. We're underneath the rail track again. Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh my days. Oh, fuck off. That looks amazing. It's the fan, man. It's 9:30 now. We're nearly there. That shit's really setting now. Wow, someone's gonna sleep here. How are the clouds gonna fuck me last minute like that? Fuck, there she's gone. The sun is G-O-N-E. Only because of those clouds. I'm really close. I think I can see you, bro. Look down. To your right. Ha ha! It's still setting. I fucking did it. You fucking did it.
Come on.
We fucking did
it. Wales and England right now. How mad is that? It's coming. It's killing. Yes, come on. Mate, first mountain I've ever climbed. And it's the tallest in fucking Wales. You know what I mean, man? It's fucking sick. Oh, we've done it. Yes.
Fuck yes. And the sun is still setting. Alright, we got to quickly run to the summit, innit? Look, the sunset's like over there too, do you know what I mean? Like the colours. It's full 360. Major! Snowdon sunset. Made it, Mum. Fuck. Look at those surroundings. We are the tallest in Wales. What you say? I'm getting down because it's fucking cold. Peace.
What are these?
Boathouses, like you said. You were right. I looked because at the front, the opening goes into the water, so like you could just sail in. All right. Oh, this feels pretty fucking safe.
Hey, if we built a fire up there, that'd be fucking mad.
Oh wow! It's those things that are really bouncy.
Great day, bro.
Yeah.
This was chill, but it was
Totally. Whoa! It's like a giant mound of the mattressy stuff. I bet this feels well nice to lie down on. How good is that for nature's blanket? You just sink into it. It's like, you know, those memory foam mattresses.
Yeah, this is nice. Moss on steroids.
It feels like fluff. Like if you put it in your hands and close your eyes, it feels like you've got cotton in your hands.
Yeah, it's not got any sharp bits as well.
No, it's just soft all over. What's this? Little stream. Oh shit! Wow. Wales, baby. So cool to be here. Nice, man. Mate, look how far the flames are coming off it. Like they're over here.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that. Hey.
There we go. That's good.
Yeah, that's it. Once you get those big logs burning, they take a while, don't they?
I feel like I'm a bit of a pyromaniac.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I think everyone has that in them a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. It's so hot. My hand's so hot.
Nice. Milky.
M-E-T-H-O-D, man. M-E-T-H-O-D, man. Stuck on motion, oh my lord. Another corn chop by the Wu-Tang Sword.
view.
Gorgeous, right? Oh, nice. Well done. Nice. Mad. I reckon this is the biggest castle I've ever seen.
Mate, it goes further, look.
Oh shit!
You had to chop it in half because it was so big.
Yeah, we need to build a road through this castle. Wow.
Why did they do that? They could have just built a
It should have just gone around it.
Yeah. You ain't getting in.
That's awesome. I love that. That's amazing.
Make the windows open.
Holy
just
shit.
Get your hand in and stop it.
Or start it.
Yeah.
There's a fan just blowing on the equipment. They just get hot.
Yeah, there's like oil everywhere.
Yeah, it looks disgusting.
That does not look good.
You can smell it as well. You can smell it come from that extractor thing. Nice. Sheesh, Carnarvon. It's hard to stand on this thing, it's wobbly. Mad, you can see into the castle. We're above the castle, bro.
There's loads of forest out there.
Yeah.
I reckon like we could easily find a spot.
Yeah.
It might be bait, but I reckon with enough cover it'll be alright.
Yeah, you want to stay here tonight, yeah?
Oh yeah, I mean...
I'm down.